Pretty funny.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hot.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Come on, cabbage back. Cabbage back.
Gee, you made it.
Oh, hey, wait, you're gonna break my gift.
Oh, come on. You didn't have to give me anything. What'd you give me?
Well, what does every bachelor pad need, huh?
A lava lamp? How did you know I love lava lamps? Then you know what? I'm gonna put it right here next to my other one. Hey, come on, Ange. I'm gonna show you the best thing about this place. How great is this view?
It's amazing.
I know, it's beautiful, right?
Your new apartment. It's wow, awesome. What I'm trying to say is that we're having an Oscar.
Yeah, it was nothing, really, you know. Hey, oh, you know what? Wait right here, don't move. I'll be right back. Girl, you are gonna flip. Oh, I'm back.
Oh, you're back.
You know what, Ange? Where I am right now, this whole new life I got, all my dreams coming true, in a weird kind of way. Well, I never could have done it without you.
Oh, sure you could. Well, probably not.
Dear.
Oh, Oscar.
I know. I'm just sorry that it took so long.
Oh, that's okay.
Clam. Huh?
My grandmother's pearls.
With interest. Now, I don't forget anything, and I never forget who my friends are.
Oh. I'm not interrupting or something, am I?
No!
We're talking.
Hey, Lola! Wow, you're here! Oh, okay, you gotta come best my meat friend, Angie. Eat my men, Angie.
Your best friend? Oh, that's sweet. So you won't mind if I stay with you for a while, then, will you? So, look who's a somebody after all.
You know, Sharks! On the edge of the reef! The great white! Sharks! Okay, everybody go home to your loved ones. Spend the last few hours that you have with each other. Oh! I mean, that's the way it used to be around here. We'd have been all scrambling, recovering stuff, but not since Oscar came to town. So Lola, baby, just wait here, and I'm gonna be right back. We'll go ahead and take care of the shots. Go get